Now take a second one. Hold this first and go like this. Hold it first and so another one. Okay, like this. So, yeah. Okay. Time is the third one. You do the thing like this. Like this. But you're gonna hold the third one like this. And if you can do like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you want to do the 6, you can do only like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you do it again. And you drop and hit it. So keep down. Keep both